Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about zeros of the polynomial and how to find out the zeros of the polynomial. So first of all, let me take the example of a monomial, that is 5x. Now in this 5x, 5 is a number and x is a variable, and we can take any value of x. Suppose if I take the value of x as 0, so we will write 5 into 0 equals to 0. If I take x equals to minus 1, then we will write 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. If I take x equals to 1 by 2, so we will write 5 multiplied by 1 by 2, that is 5 upon 2. So here at the place of x we can take any value, any integer, any fraction. Okay, so after putting the value of x we are getting different values. So in these cases you can see that when we are putting 0, then the final answer is 0. So here 0 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, now let me explain you it with one more example. Now 3x plus 2. Now in this 3x plus 2, if I take x equals to 0, so we will write 3 multiplied by 0 plus 2, that will be 0 plus 2 equals to 2. If I take x equals to 1, so 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 equals to 5. If I take x equals to 1 by 2, so 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 2, that is 3 by 2 plus 2. Now after taking LCM, if you solve it, we will get 7 upon 2. Okay, we will get 7 upon 2. Now if I take x equals to minus 2 upon 3, then what will happen? 3 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3 plus 2. 3 will be cancelled by 3. We will get minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So here you can see that when we are taking different values of x, we are getting different values. But when we are putting minus 2 upon 3, then we are getting 0. So here minus 2 upon 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. So understood the meaning of 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial means value of that variable when we are going to put it in that polynomial and we are going to get 0. That is known as 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now here one more thing I want to add here. Can we put, like here it's 3x plus 2 and it's 0 of the polynomial is minus 2 upon 3. It means by putting minus 2 upon 3 we are going to get 0. But here can we put any other value for x so that we get 0? No, there is no any other value. Why? Because it's a linear polynomial. We have discussed in the previous video. Now why it is linear polynomial? Because its degree is 1. Its degree is 1, that's why it's a linear polynomial. And a linear polynomial have maximum 1, 0. A linear polynomial have maximum 1, 0. Okay, so there will be only one value. By putting that we are going to get 0. So a linear polynomial have only 1, 0 of the polynomial. It means there will be only one value. By putting we are going to get 0. Now how to find out the 0 of the polynomial? Suppose if I have to find out the 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 2. So just make it equal to 0 and solve it as you solve the linear equations in one variable. Transpose this 2 toward this side, so you will get minus 2. Now transpose this 3 here, so you will get minus 2 upon 3. So this minus 2 upon 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. So in this way you can find out 0 of the linear polynomial. Okay, if it is a linear polynomial, just make it equal to 0 and solve it for x or y. You will get 0 of the polynomial. One more thing, what is the general form of linear polynomial? So general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Okay, so here the value of a is 3 and value of b is 2. Now if a linear polynomial is in the form of ax plus b, then its 0 will be in the form of minus b upon a. Now what is the value of b here? The value of b is minus 2, the value of b is 2 and value of a is 3. So its 0 will be minus 2 upon 3. So you can find out 0 of the polynomial in this way also. Now let me give you one more example. Suppose it's 5x minus 7. Again it's a linear polynomial. How to find out its 0? Make it equal to 0. Solve it for x. So you will get x equals to 7 upon 5. So 7 upon 5 will be the 0 of this polynomial. It means if you are going to put 7 upon 5 in this polynomial, okay, you will definitely get 0. So 7 minus 7 equals to 0. And we can compare it with the example with the general form also. Now when we compare it with general form is ax plus b, and its 0 will be in the form of minus b upon a. So here the value of b is minus 7. So minus 7 upon 5. So its 0 will be 7 upon 5. So hope you have understood about 0 of the polynomial. In next video, we will discuss about the 0 of the quadratic polynomial.